you're still a good for nothing I don't know. So take your gloves and get out. Better get her out while you can. When you go, and would you even turn to say, hey, I don't love you like I did yesterday. Sometimes I cry so hard from bleeding, so sick and tired of all the needless beating. But baby, when they knock you down and out, it's where you ought to stay. And after all the blood that you still owe, another dollar's just another blow. So fix your eyes and get up. Better get her up while you can. Whoa. When you go, and would you even turn to say, hey, I don't love you